almost there. There we go. Okay. There's 3 lines on this thing. What the heck? One's obviously fuel. Another one would be vacuum. Why is there a 3rd one? Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're gonna be rebuilding the carbs on the CX500. I've been at full throttle. It starts to sputter out on me, and so I'm kind of assuming it's a fuel issue, like the intake boots are cracked. I don't know what condition the carbs are in. So I got a rebuild kit from 4-in-1, so we're gonna totally rebuild the carbs and see how it runs after that. So stay tuned. Cheers. Bro, whoever had this bike last put standard bolts on a Japanese bike. What the heck?
But I shall unleash my fury upon you.
Just come straight up. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Yeah, I think I got this replacement as well. The like intake. I guess it's the intake boot. It's just also metal here, but there's rips in this rubber. So that could also be why it wasn't running well at full throttle. It's getting too much air, not enough gas. One thing I'd highly recommend is if you're buying a bike for a project, don't do anything to it until it's running perfectly, and then you can start, you know, messing with it. Oh, there's my doggo. The manual doesn't say anything about taking this bracket off, the engine mount bracket, but I literally could not get to the throttle cables, you know, like to the locking nut to be able to get them off. So I was a little nervous to take that engine mount off. You know, there's multiple, so, but still. And then I looked up on YouTube, and some other guy had the exact same struggles I was having, and he took that mount off, so I just did the same thing. Oh my gosh, finally. I take that all the way out. Alright, one cable's out. There we go. Carbs are removed. Oh my goodness, that took way too long.
That's what she said.
carbs are rebuilt. I didn't film me rebuilding the other air cutoff valve, but it's the same exact process. But yeah, now we're gonna put them back on the bike. Okay, yeah, there's like no gas in the carbs, so it might take a second. Alright, that's going to do it, you guys. We got the carbs rebuilt. It's running pretty good. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.